Going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be taking these Roman candles, 10 shots each, 4 in a pack, and I'm going to be duct taping them together, and then we will be setting them off all at the same time. First, we'll open them up. Alright, so USA candle, 10 shots. Warning, do not hold in hand. So you don't want to be holding this one in your hand if you're doing it single. Let's see here, this is the effects. Going to be red, white, and blue comet. And there's your fuse right there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 shots each. So we're gonna have 80 shots. We're gonna make a small 80-shot Roman candle cake. So I couldn't find my duct tape. Have no idea where I put it. I literally just used it the other day. So I'm gonna use some painter's tape, and I'm just gonna I'm just going to wrap it and wrap it and wrap it, so we'll see what happens. Alright, so I've got it basically together. It's just, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 in the middle, 8. And I'll just kind of sit up right there. I'll make sure to anchor it properly. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap it a little bit more with some of this tape just to make sure it's not going to go anywhere. little overkill, but I don't like taking chances with stuff like this, so rather be safe than sorry. Alright, so there you have it right there. It's all put together and ready to go. I'll just take all these fuses right here, pull them all out as far as they can come. Put them all together like that in the middle, and then I'll come through, hit it with a torch, and that'll be it.